Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. I'm so excited you're here today. Because we're going to take something very simple, my morning routine, and turn it into a powerful English learning tool. This is going to be a long, deep session, so settle in, because by the end of it, you'll not only know how to describe your own routine in English, but you'll also understand how to use everyday life as your classroom. This script is designed to keep you motivated, engaged, and practicing for a full hour. Let's begin at the very start of the day. Imagine the alarm clock ringing. I open my eyes slowly and stretch my arms. I say to myself, "Good morning." This is the first English phrase you can practice every day. It's short, it's simple, but it sets the tone. Then I sit up in bed, put my feet on the floor, and take a deep breath. I remind myself, today is a new opportunity to learn, to grow, to practice English. You see, even your thoughts in the morning can be in English. That's how you start living the language. Next, I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth carefully. I look in the mirror and say, I am ready for today. Notice how these are everyday actions, but when you describe them in English, you are already building fluency. You don't need complicated grammar. You just need to connect words with actions. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. These are powerful because they are repeated every day. And repetition is the secret to fluency. After that, I go to the kitchen. I boil some water and make tea. Sometimes I drink coffee, but tea is my favorite. I prepare breakfast, maybe bread with butter or eggs or fruit. While I eat, I like to listen to English podcasts. This is a great tip for you. Combine your routine with English practice. If you listen to English while eating breakfast, you train your ears naturally. You don't need to sit in a classroom. Your kitchen becomes your classroom. Your breakfast becomes your lesson. Then, I take a shower. I use soap and shampoo and I feel fresh and ready for the day. I put on my clothes. I usually wear something comfortable if I'm staying home, or formal clothes if I have meetings. While I dress, I sometimes talk to myself in English. For example, I say, "Today I am wearing a blue shirt and black pants." This is a simple exercise, but it helps you think in English. Thinking in English is the bridge to fluency. If you always translate from your native language, you will feel slow. But if you start thinking directly in English, you will feel natural. Now, I sit at my desk and plan my day. I write down my tasks in English. For example, finish my work, call my friend, go shopping. Writing your to-do list in English is another easy way to practice. You don't need complicated sentences, just short notes. The more you use English in your daily routine, the more natural it becomes. Fluency is not about studying for hours. It's about living the language in small moments. Let's pause here and reflect. Why is describing your morning routine so powerful for learning English? Because it's repetitive. You do it every day. And repetition builds fluency. If you practice saying your routine in English every morning, you will improve quickly. You don't need to memorize long lists. You just need to live your life in English. That's the secret. Fluency grows from daily habits. Here's a challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, describe your routine in English step by step. Say it out loud. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about grammar. Just speak. If you do this every day for 1 month, your English will feel easier, smoother, and more natural. This is how fluency is built through daily practice, not through perfection. Let me share a motivational story. There was a student named David from Mexico. He wanted to improve his English, but he didn't have time for long lessons. So he decided to practice during his morning routine. Every day, he spoke his actions in English. I wake up. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. At first, it felt silly. But after 3 months, his English improved dramatically. He could speak faster, he could think in English, and he felt confident. What changed? He connected English to his daily life. That's the power of routines. Another powerful technique is shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating exactly what they say at the same time. Try shadowing with morning routine videos or podcasts. For example, listen to someone saying, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Repeat it immediately. This trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain together. It improves your pronunciation, your rhythm, and your confidence. Shadowing is one of the fastest ways to feel fluent. Now let's talk about mindset. Many learners think English is something separate from life, something you only practice in class. But the truth is, English can be part of your life. Your morning routine is proof. If you make English part of your daily habits, you will learn naturally. You don't need to force it. You just need to live it. Fluency is not about studying harder, it's about living smarter. Before we close, I want you to imagine yourself 6 months from now. Imagine you wake up, and without thinking, you describe your routine in English. You say, I wake up. I stretch. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. You don't translate. You don't hesitate. You flow. Your words come naturally, your confidence shines, and you feel proud. That future is possible for you. But only if you start today. Remember, the easiest way to learn English is to connect it to your daily life. And your morning routine is the perfect place to begin. Thank you for spending this time with me at English Speaking and Listening Club. I hope you feel inspired, motivated, and ready to make English part of your morning. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.